Virginia Cascella is the export manager of PND. PND is an Italian company almost 20 years old. Virginia, which is the new machine from PND that you are presenting at Gulfood Manufacturing?
Is the pineapple cylinder machine. Is a machine dedicated to pineapple processing. We are very proud of this machine because it's a very compact machine that allow a complete performance on pineapple cutting. On this machine, in fact, you can cut in cylinder, in fingers, in chunks, and also in rings. So this is a very important performance that we can have on the pineapple field.
So it's a multifunction machine, we can say.
Yes, we can consider it as a multifunction machine, and is very compact. So we suggest for small companies, but also for canning industries, because even if it's very compact, so consider 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters of space, the machine is also on wheels, so is easily movable, and even if is considering in a small range of machine, is also very performant. You can consider 12 pieces per minute of pineapple, so it is about 700 kilo per hour, so it's not so small in effect.
So high efficiency, compact and multifunction machine.
Yes, it is. It's also very easy to sanitize. Is very safe for the operator, and so will be a very good partner for our client.
Well, Gulfood Manufacturing is the last appointment for this year, 2019. Which is the next one for 2020?
The new exhibition that we'll have in 2020 will be Fruit Logistica. We will be there to celebrate also our 20 years of activity. We are very proud of this success that we are having in these years. So we would like to invite you everyone to our booth, and you can enjoy with us a piece of cake.
Thank you, Virginia, and also Editrice Zeus will be at Fruit Logistica to say happy birthday to PND. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sonia. See you in Berlin.